Hi everyone and welcome to SLS 1103. I'm very excited for our course to begin on Monday, May 14th, and I just wanted to make a quick video for those of you who may be new to online courses or maybe also even new to Blackboard, just so you kind of have a visual walkthrough of how you should move through the course. So I have already logged into Blackboard. You can go to Blackboard directly by typing in bb.fscj.edu, or you can also just go through access Blackboard through connections. So either way works. Typically we do like you to go through connections because it also gets you in the habit of checking your student email. Be sure now that you are a college student, check your FSCJ student email daily. You can have it forwarded to another email address if you tend to not check your student email through the college website, but do begin checking that daily. So let's go to our course. So I've got a few here. I've got to find ours, which is 368983. So this is where you find your courses. Click on it. And you'll see here that I have it where it opens to our announcement page. I will post a quick note either Sunday evening or Monday morning at the start of each week, just to make sure everyone's on the right track and hey, heads up, this is what we're doing for this week. But you'll see announcements posted here from me. And of course my bio is here if you want some information, or my email address. To email me, you would click on select users, because if you do anything else, you're going to send it to a whole bunch of people other than me, which I don't think most of the time you want to do. And then find my name, Rosalind Francis, click the arrow and type a subject, a body, and then you can attach a file here if you need to, and then click submit. So that's how you can email me. Of course, you can also just email me directly through your email by typing in my email address, but this is the way you would email me through the course. I clicked on the course information tab here. Here's a student orientation document. It's great for those of you who are brand new to online courses and even Blackboard, so definitely give that a look. And then of course our syllabus is here. You do want to click on this link and read through that. There's a rubric here. A rubric is what your professors use to assess assignments that you submit or post. So the rubric is there so you know what will be expected of you in the discussion board, right? Like spell check, use a capital I, not a lowercase I, type out YOU, don't just use you, little things like that, right? Stuff that we take for granted, I guess. The team project information is here in this folder. And then you're going to select a friend. It's just not funny, but just like an avatar thing that just kind of gives you an introduction to each chapter. It's kind of cool, but you can look into that. That part is pretty self-explanatory. And then you'll meet Isaac, our librarian for the course. He will walk you through the information literacy skills that are covered in the Student Life Skills course. So you will see a lot of him throughout our short semester together. So I'm going to move on to the weekly assignments tab. This is where the rubber meets the road and you will be doing most of your work. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one here, but you can see that I've got everything available for you for the entire course. You can see everything you're going to be doing. So you would want to click on the course introduction folder first, and then I've got some information here for you. You will just copy this right here. Just highlight it, Control C, and then Control V, as in Victor, to paste into your own email. And just answer the questions and email that to me. That's one of the first tasks you'll do. You'll also introduce yourself in the discussion board. I'll go ahead and click on that link. You see you've got an example one here from me. And to create a new thread in the discussion forum, you will click on Create Thread. And then, of course, give it a subject and a body. Here is where you can attach a picture, attach image right there. And you can attach a file here if you need to, but try to use this button right here to attach the picture that you're going to use for your introduction. And of course, hit submit. Never hit save draft. Just don't. It gets lost in some black hole. So if you can avoid it, don't click save draft. Of course, you can go ahead and see some of the discussions that are here for the term. And you'll notice from there that says recording of the live discussion. Let me pop back over here so that makes more sense. We are going to have some live discussions throughout the term. And it's an online course, and of course it's going to be almost impossible for all of us, to get together at the same time, right? So each of these will always be recorded. And so if you can't attend the live session, and there are different days and times throughout the term to try to meet everybody, try to get everybody to attend at least one. It will be recorded, and then you will just watch the recording and then respond to it in the discussion board if you're unable to attend the live session. So if you can attend the live session, great, you get it done in the moment, and if not, then you just will respond to the recording. So when I clicked on the link name, just, hey, type in your name and log in. Now, I already have downloaded the software, so for your first time, make sure your pop-up blocker is turned off, and you may have to download an attachment so the program can load. It's called Illuminate, or now it's called Collaborate. So it's just a web conference platform. Of course, here's where you'll complete your quizzes, but everything is just kind of laid out there in your weekly assignments. And we already talked about the discussion board. We just went in there. The Dropbox is where you will submit your information literacy assignments. So I've got the attachments here. Whenever you're ready to submit one, you click on the link. And you can leave me a note here if you want to, and then attach file. Right there, browse your computer, find the attachment, and click submit. Remember, do not hit save draft. Your groups, you're going to self-enroll in your groups. I've already created them here. You can have up to 4 per each group, and then you guys will self-enroll when you get into the course. And then you'll click this link to access your gradebook. I can't access it because I'm not a student, but I can show you the gradebook now because there's no grades in it yet. Loading. All right, so the gradebook, see, this is how it looks for me, and for you all it's going to look a little bit different, but everything is already listed so you can see what you're being graded for. And of course in the syllabus it lists that for you as well. But this is what it looks like for me. I wish it did look the same. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Okay, so that is just a quick overview of what the shell looks like, how it kind of works each week, and I hope this got you off to a good start. I'm sure you're going to have other questions. No problem. That's what I'm here for. So I look forward to meeting all of you, and we're going to have a great semester together. Take care, everyone.